To kick things off on how to build high converting landing pages, there are two primary ways to create one completely for free: Canva and Google Sites. In today's video, we are focusing exclusively on Canva. And if you'd like a step by step tutorial on Google Sites as well, drop a comment below and I'll create a dedicated video for that too. To start, you'll want to download the native Canva application for your operating system. Whether you are on Windows or Mac, it is completely free for both. Since I am using Windows, I'll be showing you the how to install Canva directly onto your system without opening a web browser. Simply navigate to your system search bar right here and type Canva. Since I already have the desktop app installed, it gives me the option to open it immediately. However, if you don't have it installed yet, you'll see different search results for Canva right here. Just select the latest version, follow the prompt, and you'll have the app installed and ready to go. Once you launch the app, you will be greeted by the main home dashboard. From here, navigate over to the category labeled Website Creator. Clicking this gives you access to a vast library of landing page templates. As you browse through them, you'll notice a small crown icon on certain templates. That indicates a premium feature requiring a paid Canva subscription. But if you are planning to upgrade, don't worry at all. The free templates are exceptionally high quality. In fact, for today's breakdown, I am using a completely free template myself. I'm select I'm selecting this template right here to demonstrate our layout. Once we open it inside the editor, we can customize every element, and you can even host and publish it directly through Canva. While we won't be covering the publishing phase in this specific video, I am going to walk you through a side by side comparison detailing exactly what makes a bad landing page versus a good landing page. Here's the template I'm using for this demonstration. I have made a few key changes to show you what an actual bad landing page looks like in the real world. Right off the bat, at the hero section, you can see this line: say everything, say nothing. Sure, it sounds clever and punchy, but for God's sake, I have no idea what this website is actually selling. To convert a visitor into a customer, sounding cool isn't enough. You have to be crystal clear with your message. On top of that, look at the layout. There's zero branding. There's no brand name, no logo. It just looks like a random generic page. If a visitor can't instantly see who you are or what your company's core mission is, you lose their trust in the first 3 seconds. Now let's scroll down and see if we can figure out what this business actually does. Here, they are trying to explain their process, but it's written in high level corporate jargon that the average person won't understand. This will easily confuse over 50% of audience, driving your bounce rate through the roof. Further down, we get a few vague clues. It says solutions designed for you. From this, we might guess they offer some sort of service, but that's just a wild guess. And visitors don't buy based on guesswork. Okay, so they buy when they feel confident and secure. And then it says we study your business so we can apply the right strategies. Okay, that's another small end, but still not explicit. Finally, we hit the service section. Hopefully, this gives us the exact answer, right? Like, let's read these services titles. First service, prof, profile hero transformation. What does that even mean? And high velocity intent capture. Oh man, I'm leaving this website right now. That's what your user will say. Honestly, if a user made it down to this section, they would be only one. The vast majority of potential customers would have been bounced from the very first screen. So look at what's missing overall: no branding, no clear identity, zero contact information. How is anyone supposed to reach? Like, even if a super high IQ visitor somehow figured out what services you offer, they still couldn't contact you. It's a complete waste of money to drive traffic to a website like this. So to fix this, we need to make some major changes. Like, I will update the main headline, to give a clear picture of the value proposition, like what company does do, and rewrite the sub headlines to eliminate the jargons. Overall, simplify the website and just like some replacing some confusing services names with direct recognizable titles and essentials pages, like testimonials and something like that to make it more trustworthy website. Now let's look at the optimized improved version of this landing page. Starting right here at the top, I have updated the headline to next level creative digital marketing solution. Now, even if this isn't 100% explicit yet, by highlighting marketing solutions, it immediately gives the visitor a clear idea of what we do. And if you are wondering why not just directly state we are a digital marketing agency right away, well, that should be portrayed through your creative content only. I guess that your content should tell the person that you are a digital marketing agency. So we have to make a balance between looking cool and giving direct message. If like say nothing and say everything is kind of cool, but it was not giving any message, and this like we are a creative digital marketing solutions, it is kind of giving a vibe, cool vibe, and uh, as well as giving you the direct message that we solve marketing problems. Notice how I have also placed our brand logo discreetly in the top left corner. Placing a small, sleek logo at the top gives off an elevated premium vibe. You shouldn't paste your logo all over the page. This this just look cluttered and unprofessional. Moving down, I removed all those confusing high level jargon words that were completely flying over people's head. Instead of writing a vague overview, I added a placeholder for what you should actually write here. This is where you state your company's core mission, tagline, or vision in a brief, um, so that visitor instantly understand your purpose. Next, let's look at the services X section. Everything else on the old page was okay, except for those ridiculous service names. So I simplified them completely: SEO, PPC, SMM, like the search engine optimization, pay per click, and social media management. It's clean, direct, and straightforward. Your visitors shouldn't need 100 IQ just to figure out what services you offer. Now, from this point onward, you see the exact additions that build instant user trust without requiring any direct interaction. First, I added a portfolio work section, including real samples or images of your work, makes the visitor feel relatable moving forward. Next, under digital in the press, this is where you showcase your partners, existing clients, or notable brands or your organization has worked with. Scrolling down, we have client testimonials. Adding reviews from your current and former clients does wonders for converting cold visitors into warm leads. And finally, the most important element of all, the contact page. Without this, everything else you have built is a total waste. You must give your visitors a way to get in touch with you, whether that's your phone number, email address, or WhatsApp. I also recommend linking your social media handles. Visitors can jump over to your profiles, check out your content. If they like what they see, your conversions rate will skyrocket. So these were the difference between good landing page and bad landing page. And that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. And here at Jiba, your initial consultation is 100% free. Whether you are planning to launch a physical business like a local cafe or build an online website, Jiva is here to guide you. We aren't here to hard sell you, and we won't charge you a single penny for your first consultation. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, drop a comment, and subscribe to the channel. And if you don't want to reach out directly just yet and still have some queries related to anything about related to digital marketing, you can just comment below your query, and our team will respond within 24 hours. Thanks again for watching.